Hi guys, let's explore the Alnor Island. By the way guys, this Alnor Island is a lagoon island featuring a butterfly house with a modern art installation, and you can also find a cafe and a playground kung asa pwede magdulang mga bata. Guys, nice kaayo, kadako kaayo lang area. And guys, easy ra kanimo malocate this island because this is just at the heart of Sharjah city. It's just fronting of the Corniche Dates Park lang. And then guys, while we are crossing in this not too much na mataas na bridge, pagtuyok ni Manny guys, you will find and you will be amazed by the mga tag-as kay nga building. Look at that. And then guys, much better, I would suggest when you come in this island, much better winter time. And this time, it's still nice, but we are walking in the init lang jud siya aning time guys. Lantawan ninyo guys. Oh, it's a nice spot. Hi, dude.
Ganda kasi yung tayo, yung...
Yeah. It's a nice spot. We're almost there na in the Alnor Island.
Bakawan to eh, diba?
Po?
Bakawan yan.
Opo, Bakawan. We're here. So let us check. We're now in the Alnor Island. And here's the map. So we have the butterfly, we can find the butterfly house, children's playground, literature pavilion, the cactus garden, the gleaming meadows, maze garden, the trampoline pathway, the Edgar Tizak sculpture, oval art installation, window images, flags, fossil rocks, column sculpture, Taurus sculpture, the swing, nerd cafe, and they have also toilets, mother and child room. So let's go. Let's go Alnor Island. As we walk through guys, dining depita pagsulod namo, you feel relaxed because of the shaded woods despite sa kainit, maka-feel gihapon kag hangin na bugnaw, and at the same time you will hear a lot of birds coming over in the island. As in, I think we would consider this is also a bird sanctuary. Daghan kay sila guys, as in nice dire na mag-relax rin, mag-chill, especially na ay cafe diri sa sulod sa island guys. Wow. This is the playground. At this time, nanami sila ang cafe. At the same time, receiving area for the butterfly house. Gipa-relax sa nila guys kasi init pa manggod kaayo mi, and then they control the temperature of the butterfly house guys. So at least dili mga matay ang mga birds, no? I mean butterfly.
Storage. This one's storage.
Oh yeah, that one. That's right.
At this time guys, na solo gininamo ang butterfly house kasi kami ra gyud aning time according to them kung winter time po di ay daghang tawo so taas-taas ang pila. So ngayon na secure na mo ang place na kami lang.
A few stages that they go through to become the butterflies themselves. So begin as eggs, then these eggs hatch into caterpillars. So an example of the eggs are these. You see the yellow, look like mustard seeds. Yes. There's one there. There's there. Yeah, there is usually more. Yeah. So those hatch into caterpillars. Then they transform into pupas. Pupas to butterflies. But what we do, we procure these chrysalids, and then we put them in the chamber over there. These happen naturally, but we have those we just procure.
Diba guys, dili lang ang mga bata ang nag-enjoy, kundi pati mga dagko na dungog yun mo ang tingog ni Zeki guys, nalingaw yun kayo siya sa mga butterflies o flying na muduol pa yun sa iya ha guys. Mo ni, look at that guys.
It's an orange butterfly.
Guys, anhin na mo guys. By the way, they are open di ay 9 a.m. until 11 p.m. Thank you for watching guys. Till next time.